This video is for beginners in Blender, introducing the very basics of modeling in Blender. So our default mode is object mode, and we already know how to move, rotate, and scale an object. To get more into like modeling this object and getting different shapes and so on, we have to be in edit mode. So hit the drop down menu here and choose edit mode, and you'll see the display changes and several tools are available to us. An important thing to be aware of are next to edit mode are these selection modes. In this selection mode I can choose a vertex or vertices. This mode I can choose edges, and in this mode I can choose faces. So let me just deselect for a minute here. Okay, so I'm in vertex selection mode. With my selection tool, I can select any vertex, and I could choose the move tool, for example, and I could move it. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Now with a single vertex selected, rotating it isn't going to do anything, right? So you can experiment with what you can do with, like, let's say I'll select, I'm in vertex mode, I've selected two vertices, and I could move those two vertices, at the same time if I wanted to, but I also have access to the rotation tool, so I can rotate, as long as multiple vertices are selected. Now with the edge mode, let me go into the selection mode so I can select edges. And let me go into the selection tool so it's easier to see. Now I can select any edge I want to and move it, etc. I could rotate it. Now if I want to, I can select multiple elements, whether it's edges, vertices, or faces, by holding down the shift key. And so like with multiple vertices, multiple edges available, I can move them, or I could scale them, and so on. So that's just experiment with what's available to you, either move, rotate, or scale. Now with the let me go into the selection mode of face, select a face, same thing, no surprises. I can move it, I can rotate it, I can and I can scale it if I wanted to. Alrighty, so one more thing before I close out this video. Now let me go into vertex mode here, and yes, I can select that vertex. Now I cannot select what I cannot see. So this vertex hidden back here, if I can't see it, I can't select it. Likewise, these two edges that are in the back that we can't see, I cannot select them either. When you get into precise modeling and so on, sometimes you'll want to select what you cannot see so you can move it, like if you wanted to move things equally or whatever, but anyway, to be able to select elements that we cannot see, you have to toggle X-ray. So that's up here. So if I click toggle X-ray, the display is different and it's transparent, and now I can select that vertex I can't see, or if I go into edge mode, I can select that edge I can't see, etc.